Hi, today we will learn some English words starting with the letter B. Baby. This is a baby. Bag. This is a bag. Ball. This is a ball. Balloon. This is a balloon. Banana. This is a banana. Band. This is a band. Bark. This is bark. Barn. This is a barn. Basketball. They play basketball. Bat. This is a bat. Bath. This is a bath. Beach. This is the beach. Beer. This is beer. Bear. This is a bear. Bed. This is a bed. Bee. This is a bee. Bell. This is a bell. Belt. This is a belt. Bench. This is a bench. Berry. This is berry. Bicycle. This is a bicycle. Bird. This is a bird. Birthday. This is how birthdays are celebrated. Biscuit. These are biscuits. Black. This is the color black. Blue. This is the color blue. Boat. This is a boat. Body. This is the human body. Book. This is a book. Boot. These are boots. Bottle. This is a bottle. Box. This is a box. Boy. This is a boy. Bread. This is bread. Bridge. This is a bridge. Brush. This is a brush. Bucket. This is a bucket. Buddy. This is buddy. To build. Here they are building a road. Button. This is the elevator button. Butter. This is butter. Butterfly. This is a butterfly. To buy. I want to buy here. Busy. This woman is busy. Bush. This is a bush. Bus. This is a bus. Beetle. This is a beetle. Beat. This is a beat. Boring. This is boring for her. Bracelet. This is a bracelet. Business. This is a business. Bill. This is a bill. Bakery. This is a bakery. Butchery. This is a butchery. Bacon. This is bacon. Badge. This is a badge. Balance. A man holds a balance. Bald. A man is bald. Balcony. This is a balcony. Bandage. A man is tying a bandage. Bank. This is a bank. Barber. A man is at the barber's. Bathroom. This is a bathroom. Battery. This is a battery. Beacon. This is a beacon. Bean. These are beans. Beak. A parrot has a beak. Beam. This is a beam of light. Beard. A man has a beard. Belly. This is a belly. Beaver. This is a beaver. Beb. This is a bib. Biker. A man riding a motorcycle is a biker. Birch. This tree is a birch. Blizzard. There is a blizzard outside. Blindfold. This is a blindfold. Block. This is a block. Bloom. Here are 2 blooms. Boar. This is a wild boar. This is a bod. Bodyguard. This is a bodyguard. Bonafire. This is a bonafire. Bonus. Something extra is a bonus. Bookcase. This is a bookcase. Bookmark. A bookmark is put in a book. Bootlace. This is a bootlace. Boss. We have a boss at work. This is a bottle cap. There is a bottle cap on a bottle. Boulder. This is a boulder. Bouquet. We have a bouquet in a vase. Bomb. This is a bomb. Bone. We have bones in our bodies. Brother. This little girl has a brother. Brain. I have a brain in my head. Branch. There is a branch on a tree. Brick. The house is made of bricks.